Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 357, technical analysis, crypto and stocks. Now, thank you for joining us tonight, and thank you for being here. Jake, thank you for being here, man. Steve S, thank you for being here, and Jill Torian, what is up, bro? Steve S says pineapples and bananas, awesome. Yeah, if you're catching the stream live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. We're not doing the news lately, but we used to do the news. You know, I think it's just one of those things that either get a drop or figure out a way to get the news into the channel again. But if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to the Twitter and anything else that you guys want to find here on the channel. Yeah, it's good news though. We're gonna do an interview with D, right? With Decentralized from the Vault. We're gonna do that this Saturday. Apparently, yep. So this Saturday. Isn't that cool? First interview on this channel, I think. Formal interview on this channel. We had one of our old viewers come in once and chat with me a little bit, which was pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna do the first interview, and then I'm not sure if Bitlord's trolling me, but I said one collab. He says catch me live, catch me tomorrow or whatever. Dude, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to catch him, but it's gonna be insane if I'm able to do a collab with Crypto Bitlord. He's a fun character. All right. Anyways, thank you all for being here, and thank you for joining me tonight. We're gonna move on to technicals and figure out what is happening today in the world of crypto, man. Things were going down, right? Everything was sideways until it went down today. So let's go check out the market cap. What is happening with the market cap? Well, yesterday we lost, right? Look at that. We had that leg. We kind of rested for a day. Now we're getting that second leg coming in. Losing 3.74%, or approximately 11.83 billion, right? Money flowing out of the cryptosphere like magic. Boom. Just disappeared. Today, money flowing back in, 0.68%, approximately $2.65 billion. With that, the market cap is sitting at a cool 306.7 billion. Now, what are we doing, man? Are we doing something? Yes, we are, right? Again, we're coming in slightly lower here. I don't like to do a lot of technicals on, market cap, mainly because it's just money flowing in and out, right? It doesn't relate to all the projects and how well each project is going to perform. It just lets us know that money is flowing out of the cryptosphere. But we're starting to get this new negative momentum island, right? We haven't finished developing. We got to keep on tracking it, see how it keeps on progressing. But right now, it would seem that we have some strong bullish divergence against the MACD. I'm not so sure against the RSI. We'll check it. 37.50 and 38. Very, very slight to the upside, right? So from here to here, like that, right? Some strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. Probably why we're starting to gain this. If we move up, we're probably going to retest that 236 at $312.90 billion. With that said, let's go and check out Bitcoin dominance. What is happening with Bitcoin dominance? Yesterday it gained dominance, very little. 0.92%. Today it's losing 0.12%, sitting at 62.06% of market cap. And again, you notice this correlation, how the price of Bitcoin has been dropping, but its dominance is gaining, right? We don't want to see that. We want to see dominance go lower, and that's better for the cryptosphere, and then everyone does better, right? So Bitcoin has to stop dominating. On that note, let's move on to the price of Bitcoin. Sitting at 10,305.56, dude. 10,305.56, dude. Damn, we just barely managed to stay above this area, dude. Dang it. Closed at 10,238. We have that line at 10,243, slightly lower, dude. We're trying to regain that area again. It could be off for a couple dollars. It's fine. But, dude, is that crazy, right? Are we doing something here? Not yet. We're starting to make negative momentum, right? And on that negative momentum, we could get more price action to the downside, right? Will we get to this level 9,650? Still yet to be determined. I'm not sure. Someone asked if we're gonna go lower on the Discord. Right now, I'm taking it a day at a time, like I told you guys, right? No far-fetched predictions. 72 hours, right? We talked about failing yesterday. We said if we fail at certain area, we're going to go down, and if we manage to regain that area, we could go up, right? Well, failed. Look at that. Failed. And that note, we're moving down, right? That's what we predicted. They said next 72 hours. Well, we're rejecting right now. We're holding on support. We don't have anything here on the daily. Low to high, negative to less negative, low to high, right? Neutral, 41.17. Also, we got to cross off the MACD, right? This blue line over the signal line, right? The red number. And in that signal cross, we got this massive bar to the downside, right? Well, it's not as massive as the previous one, right? But still a nasty bar to the downside. On that note, let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, man, what's going on here? Well, when I was live, I was, before I came live, I was checking stuff and I was posting on the Discord, right? So I was looking at this move here. And we were trying to hold, right? Why was it lower? Well, because it was lower when I was doing it, right? It just managed to get pulled back, right? And with that, we created some strong bullish divergence, which obviously means price action to the upside, right? Strong bullish divergence, right? Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. We don't have it against the RSI, right? Or we might even from back here. Let's see. 29, and here we managed to pull back up to 30. So yeah, from here, right, to there we have it, right? It would just be if I anchored from here to there, right? Just imagine it's a straight line going all the way down there. And with that note, I mean, we are getting that price action upside. Hey, Andrew, how's it going, bro? Thanks for being here, man. 9,800, pretty huge wall. Yeah, dude, but didn't you put like a bet with Andrew that if it manages to get below 10,000, you're gonna pay something? If that falls, yeah. YFV, please, after ETH. Dude, no. I'm not gonna squeeze YFB after ETH. Like after Bitcoin is ETH, and then after that it's like XRP, and then Litecoin, then Binance, and after that we already have a request for DXY that was off the stream, and after that I will definitely look at YFB, dude, for sure, right? But I'm not gonna miss the flow of the first 5 because that's how I have arranged the watch list here on the side. Anyways, dollar cost average into YFB at 5.06. Yeah, 5.60. All right, cool, man. Steve, I kind of hope you lose that bet. Right? Why you want to lose that bet? You want the price to go lower? Right. So we getting that bullish divergence again, getting that bounce at support, right? Which is good. Yesterday we talked about this, right? I think we were like somewhere around here, maybe. This candle. I said, look, we're failing to go up. If we fail to get here and we drop, we're going to create divergence, right? It wouldn't be weird if we drop lower and create divergence. I called that yesterday or 2 days ago, right? For sure. So on that note, we're getting the bullish divergence. We're getting the price action to the upside again at support. So it wouldn't be weird if we actually hit the 20 to find a rejection. Here we didn't hit the 20. We just rejected, right? We were weak. But now with bullish divergence here, we're going to try to rally again. We had it here. We tried to rally, failed to hit that 20. Now we have more bullish divergence, and now we could try to go out again at that 20, right? Maybe we get a nice rally happening, right? That 20 right now at 10,540, sitting sold at 35.80 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, bearish divergence, right? We called that out when? Yesterday, when we were live. We're live here at 9 or 10, almost this 2 hour, right? And we're moving down on bearish divergence, hidden action to downside, right? That was good to there. Here we made this small negative momentum island, right? Which is when we get to this questioning of whether or not we want to acknowledge that, right? Because if we acknowledge that island, then we don't have bullish divergence against the MACD. But even if we don't have it against the MACD, I'm really not that worried because we did manage to create that bullish divergence against the RSI. Look at that, right? From low to there we go, right? So from low to high. Strong bullish divergence. We have strong bullish on the 4 hour. We have strong bullish on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So that's 2 significant time scales that we managed to develop strong bullish divergence, and with that, price action to the upside. Sitting sold at neutral right now at 40.11. Again, we get to this point of whether or not we want to acknowledge this here, right? All right, so everyone asks the same question. Why? Because you're all in cash? Well, yeah, dude. Yeah. Anyways, right now, bullish divergence. Well, with the bullish divergence in Bitcoin, 1 hour will get us to, well, at least get us to the 20 simple moving average, which is sitting at 10,291. Right? It's gonna be a good test there, and it's much quicker to reach it than the 10,500 that we had on the 10,500 that we had in the 4 hour. Anyways, we don't have anything bearish right now building here, which was one of my concerns. But any strong move to the upside here will have us create hidden bearish, right? We'll go higher here, and well, Well, we might go higher here, but we might stay lower, right? At least hitting this 20. Going to be lower. Here we're going to be going higher, and we're going to create that hidden bearish that could potentially break us down again, right? So just be careful. That could happen when we hit the 20 on the 1 hour. But if we manage to break above that 20, then it's on to hit the 20 moving average on the 4 hour candle. So with that, let's move on to Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum, dude? It's still dominating at 11.92%. It's managing to hold a good dominance against Bitcoin and the rest of the market. Ethereum sitting at 324.89. And would you look at that? Don't you like our supports and resistances? How well they held, right? Like that. Well, here with this one kind of got weirded out, but we had good support there, good support there, good support there, right? Here we're managing to find good support here at 319.27. Did slip a little bit lower, but that's fine. Are we creating something here? We'll see when we get to the 1 hour. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, holding that support beautifully, right? All these supports I drew on the daily. That's what on the 1 hour. I'm not worried about the 1 hour, just dipping a little bit below that because I'm confident that on the daily, my supports are holding great, right? Look at that. Plenty of support here. Plenty of support here, right? Then became resistance here, right? Also. We drop here, then we had resistance, right? Then we became support, look at that, closing there. Support here, and then we drop, right? Now we're finding support here at the next level, which is 319.27. Now, are we doing something here? Yes, I also talked about this in Ethereum, right? I said if we drop lower, wouldn't be weird if we dropped and hit the 364, or once we were below that, I said the 319. We're hitting that area spot on. I like the way this divergence looks on Ethereum a little bit better than it does in Bitcoin because we are going from one island to the next, right? We do have a positive momentum island that we're skipping over, so we can trace our strong bullish divergence, and with that, we're expecting to see the price actually the upside. We don't have it against the RSI. It's sitting sold at 38.86, so let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had the bullish divergence. We tried to rally and failed, right? We called that on the 21st. We were here live last night. Again, I think we're failing or starting to fail. I said if we don't go to the 20 and hit that area, move lower again, that will generate divergence, right? So you just go back and look at yesterday's stream. All this is talked about. If you guys pay attention to the stream, you'll know what I'm talking about, and you'll know how accurate the calls are here on this stream, bro. They're fairly accurate, at least in the moves, right? I'm targeting some prices. Like I said, I'm not going to give you wild ass predictions as to where the price is going to go, but I'll give you like fair predictions as to where the price could go short term, so you can make and take positions, right? But again, it's not financial advice, right? So just do it with care. If you believe something different is going to happen, go with your gut. You didn't have to follow what I said. On the other side, 24.53, and then here 25, right? So also here going from a high point right to a low point here, right? So low to high. So we have that strong bullish divergence actually to the upside. We're hitting it at support at 319.27, which is extremely well drawn a support line there. So let's see if we manage to go up and hit that 20 before we manage to reject again. Right, that would be the expected move. The 20 sitting right now at 343.41. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. What is happening on the 1 hour chart here, right? Again, hidden bearish. We called it out. That was yesterday. All right, we're here live at this candle, dropping below that 20. Look at that. Would you look at that, right? What do we say? What happens when we go to the 20, right? What do we say to the guy of the 20? Not today, right? Anyways, we test for support or resistance. Here, we test for resistance. We failed to break above, not once, twice, and then we broke down on that. We're creating divergence. Well, it's just happening the same thing that we had with Bitcoin, right? It looks exactly the same on the MACD, right? Because we do have this island here that we gotta acknowledge. It's a couple of hours, right? At least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 bars, I would say. 6 bars, 3 and 3. Then, so I'm not gonna go from here to here and say we have that strong bullish divergence, but I don't have a problem going from here to here on the MACD and say we do have it against the MACD, right? From the previous low to a new low, the previous bottom part here on the MACD to a new bottom part here on the MACD. Right now, it's being sold at 34.39, and on that, it's extremely good. I like the way this is looking. Again, we could rally to hit that 20 on the divergence. We have it on the 1 hour, we have it on the 4 hour, right? Not just Bitcoin, but the second major crypto by market cap also has strong bullish divergence on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour, and that is good, man. Anyways, again, potential retest of the 20, that will be the target, 332.43. Again, if Bitcoin dumps, right, because if someone tanks Bitcoin, all crypto is going to go down with it, right? Very likely. So again, even though we have strong bullish divergence and it should be playing to the upside because we have it on 2 time scales on the 2 major cryptos also, right? We should be expecting the movement to up. People can still make Bitcoin tank. So, just keep that in mind. Jiltorian, there's a nice parallel channel there on 1 hour Bitcoin. Dude, sorry, Jiltorian, I didn't see that. I'll go back to that 1 hour, dude. Stair step down. I'm probably going to lose the bet because of the bullish divergence. Yeah, probably, bro. Did you guys set up a time frame, like when you had to hit that on Bitcoin and the other projects? I'm not sure if you guys placed a time frame. I don't remember if you said like in the next 24 hours or the next 72 hours or what, but if it's in the next 72 hours, you still have a fair bet, right? This is going to go up, and it might reject here and go down. So if it's in the next 48 hours, you still might have a chance, right? Even in the next 12 hours or the next 24 hours, this should be getting at least to 20 and testing for support. If strong bullish divergence triggers properly, right? That means we go up with strength and then test, right? If we don't, if we just go like sideways, right? At least it's going to take maybe until tomorrow, right? Maybe by 6, 7 in the morning, we might be getting that test. I'm not sure, right? Your sats, his sats are yours. All right, that's cool. 5:30 tomorrow. All right, that's awesome. Now, Jill Torn made a point here on Bitcoin, and I gotta check it out. Set on the 1 hour. Do ETN? Sure, man. We'll do ETN. Right on. So, Jill Torn said there's a parallel channel there on the 1 hour Bitcoin. I'm going to try to get that parallel channel here to show, dude. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it right the way you want it, because I'm not sure. I don't like that Bitcoin chart. That's off. Let's check this one out. I'm gonna do it in this one. It's not so cluttered, but parallel channel, right? And I'm just going back to Bitcoin because we just covered it, and I missed that comment. Jill Torn, you got to tell me like a little bit more information. Whether or not you're using the wicks or not. Why are you using as tops? Are you using this? Is this what you're referring to as a parallel channel here? All right. Let me know. It would make sense, right? A little bit. Like a parallel channel, right? Bottom, top, bottom. Right, almost touching here on the top. Right. Let me zoom in here and get a little bit more accuracy here. There we go. I'm comfortable with that touch point. Now this one. There we go. Right, almost we hadn't touched here, but again, here we did. Well, I just gotta like bring it down a little bit because we're really not touching there. There we go. So we're touching on most points now, right? If this is what you're talking about, yeah, we're gonna hit the midline of the channel, right, as resistance. Upward channel consolidation. All right. Right on. So I'll go check that one out. I was looking short term. I'm not sure when you were talking about, but Jill term with what you told me. All right. Right on. So you said it starts at 12 on the 21st. All right, the 21st here. All right, 12. All right. We're looking at this point here, right? So you're going to ignore that week there. All right, cool. Broke out a channel already. All right. And break down at 12 on the 23rd. All right. All right. So I think what you might be looking at, you're talking about from here, right? So from here to here. What is 12? 12. So we're talking about this one here. So you were looking for an upsloping channel, right? This. Because you were looking at this rising channel, right? That's fine. It works a little bit, right? Right. So, all right. I'm gonna go Venmo. If nothing else, upward. I kid you not. I want to win. Have position I want to open. All right. I need a bit more bearish divergence, right? Explains the breakdown. Yeah. I mean, channels are. Usually I just use channels to like show trends, right? I don't usually use the channels to to show anything else in the trend, to be fair. Because channels, to me, are just that tool, right? Like, we did get a measure with that. But if you were proposing this, I would have proposed probably something similar, right? Again, maybe 2 lines, rising consolidation. So you're right. After it impulse down, that rising consolidation broke us down, right? That's what we would have expected to see, right? We talked about that. Impulse down, upsloping consolidation, breaks down again. Now, here, it doesn't look like consolidation. It looks like we want to do a U-turn, but so did here, right? So we got to wait for this to consolidate, figure out what we want to do. Now, yeah, good eye, Jill Torn. I do agree. This could have been a reason why we broke down, right? We had upsloping consolidation. That's fine. But when you talk about a channel, the main one I saw was a downsloping one right now. Probably because this already played, and I might have also tried to trigger from here, right, or wicked from here. Might have not gotten the best touch points, but at least I would have considered this wick maybe. But yeah, what you're talking about is fine, dude. It works, right? And it does explain probably why we broke down. But we also know why we broke down, right? We had hidden bearish also, right? So we failed to go higher, we fell to the 20, and we moved lower. So we also have some other technicals, right? Besides the, yeah, right? So we had other technicals besides the channel that also explained why we moved down. Again, I do use channels, but just mainly to highlight a trend, like I said. On that note, we finished Ethereum. Let's go to XRP. What is happening with XRP, bro? Oh no, XRP breaking below that 22-cent line, dude. Am I happy? No, I'm freaking pissed at XRP, dude. Its poor performance. I might join BitLord and dumping on my XRP, dude. Again, going lower here, sold at 35.04. Again, super weak at XRP, right? It dropped 4.95%. Again, dude, XRP, I should have just exited that out here, dude. I just should have taken a hit and exited up here, dude. Or even nap here on that retest of the 30, dude. Right? And I knew when we broke here, the next target was here. I was talking about, I said we're going to break below 22, right? We failed to go higher, so we knew we're going to move there. Do I like it? No, I hate it. Yeah, Jill Torn, I agree with you, dude. I'm just not gonna repeat that. But what you just typed with the effing thing, yeah, I agree with you. On the daily, we still have that strong bullish. Let's see if it manages to play to the upside, right? Again, that's what I'm waiting for. Like that move, like at least get to that 24-cent area. Then we'll see where we go. Or at least the 21st, right? Like I said, sold. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we had the hidden bullish. We tried to rally, failed, and move lower. Now, on this last move down, right, from here to here. And again, this is across the first 3 cryptos that we've looked at, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. They're all showing this strong bullish divergence on the 4-hour. So now XRP has strong bullish divergence on the daily. Or was it strong or hidden? I can't remember. Strong. And then we have strong bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Let's see if we have something on the 1-hour, right? There's nothing else building up here, right? Again, right, coming in lower, staying oversold at 28.39. Let's go to the 1-hour. On the 1-hour chart, XRP does magically have bullish divergence. How? You say, how? How does it have strong bullish divergence? Well, it's very easy, dude. If you follow the stream, you know what I'm going to do. You already know. You have the answer. It's in the tip of your tongue, right? Look at that. From here to here, right? Here we don't have that pesky red island that we had with Ethereum, right? Look at that. Pesky Zizalini screen, right? That little, weird small island that we had there that wouldn't let us go and call that divergence on the MACD. But we have it in XRP, dude. We have that strong bullish in XRP on the 1-hour, right? And we also have it here, right? Look at that. Strong bullish divergence on the 1-hour, on the 4-hour, and on the daily, dude. Should it be going up? Yeah, maybe. That's what I would be expecting. But the first resistance that we're going to face is going to be the 22,605, and then after that we have the 20 to look forward to, which is at 22,879. So, but I don't think this strong bullish divergence was going to get us to 24, right? To be fair. But at least get us back up to this level. Bitcoin Jag has tried to tell me that XRP is trash. Yeah, I know. XRP is still sensibly the 3rd biggest crypto if you don't count Tether. Yeah, I agree. Hey, Cryptic, how's it going, bro? Thanks for being here, man. And also, thank you for joining us on the Discord, man. Much appreciated. Again, sold at 33.63, right? That's it for XRP. Let's go check out Litecoin. What's happening with Litecoin today? We had the bullish divergence, fell into take off, coming in slightly lower, right? So we just move that to there, and that's proper anchoring. Now here, short term, right? On on this last bit here, we could go from here to here. This is very, very, almost nothing, right? But we still have strong bullish divergence action to the upside. Starting to come green today. That's about it. Sitting sold at 35.84 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, we have strong bullish divergence. Yeah, we do. Not the conventional way that I would have loved to have charted this, but it's there nonetheless, right? Look, here, coming in lower. Here going to there, right? So low to high. And then here would be from a negative to a positive, right? That's what I would be looking at. So we have strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. We're getting that move, maybe for a retest of the 20 at 44.29. Litecoin sitting at $43.61. And on that note, we're sold at 38.39 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, oh, I forgot the anchor on the 4, but it seems to make sense that we're going to have bullish divergence there as well. Just from the small glimpse I took at this, right? That's why stuff is here, right? Because I forgot the anchor. That's how it works. Forget the anchor, bad shit happens on the charts. Anyways, here, right? Low to a little bit lower low, right? To there. Again, here we don't have that negative momentum island here that Ethereum and Bitcoin had. So again, we can go and chart from here to here. And I was forgetting to anchor this to 1 hour, so now I gotta do this little quick cleanup here. And now we go from here to here as well, right? Again, strong bullish divergence on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour. So potential for price action to the upside, yeah, that's what would be in store. Maybe heading for the 20 at 44.04. On the 4 hour, the 20 sitting at 44.29. So very, very close, right? Just a movement up could have us hit both of the 20s, the 4 hour and the 1 hour. And then the daily, the 20s at around 47.45. So we have strong bullish divergence on the daily, on the 4 hour, and on the 1 hour on Litecoin. Is it going to take off? Not if Bitcoin doesn't allow it, right? If Bitcoin goes down, these are going to go down. So it's not going to matter how much strong bullish divergence they have. If like Bitcoin and Ethereum go down, rest of crypto is very likely going to go down as well. On that note, let's check out Binance. Did I ever check out Honey? Yeah, dude. I was checking out Honey the other day. I'm not sure if I'm going to get into the project yet. I like what they're doing from what I've seen so far, though, right? And just like, to me, it's kind of weird the project's worth so much, right? Look, here it is, Honey, right? 796. Yesterday was at 400. If you remember, yesterday we were looking at this, was at 400. Today is at 700. So it went up almost a ton, dude. Almost double in value. Yeah, Cryptic, I know you've been telling me about this, man. I'm not sure because I'm still trying to figure out the project, dude. That's the main reason I haven't pulled a trigger, right? I want to like really understand what they're doing well enough to see if this value that they have, it's worth it, right? Anyways, I'll go back to Honey, dude. Just wanted to tell you that yes, I've been looking at it. And before that was 70. Yeah, it's so many. Yeah, dude, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be one of those DeFi bubbles that is just going up right now. It's gonna come down crashing like tomorrow. So and since I cannot chart it because I cannot find it anywhere to chart, it just gives me a little bit of insecurity that I don't know. I don't know if I'm getting in at the top. I'm not sure if there's divergence or anything building there. So I'm just gonna be buying blind, dude. So yeah, I do. I'm not saying it's a bad project. Just the lack of information makes me a little bit, worried that I'm not gonna make a good decision, right? And I do want to know that what I'm getting into. Because I also want to plan my exit strategy. So without levels, without anything, it's just hard to do, right? Anyway, sitting neutral at 44.99. Let's go to the 4 hour. Binance doing nothing on the daily. It's the bullish divergence that we had, right? Here to here, right? Again, short term. Like, look, we're still coming lower, right? Look at this. Boom, boom, right? Again, just like Litecoin. Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. Again, hit that 20 at 23.97. Right now, sitting at 23.26, right? So again, let's go to the 1 hour. That's the only thing it has right now. Then at 1 hour, we don't have divergence, right? Look at this. This is like 621, and this is 901, right? So obviously, more negative momentum, lower on that RSI. Intermediate here, low, lower, low. So nothing bullish on the 1 hour, but we do have the bullishness on the 4 hour and on the daily, and that's good enough for me right now on Binance. It's on the XDAI chain. Yeah, that's it. No, but I'm not saying it's like I wasn't saying it's DeFi. I'm not sure if it's gonna be on the DeFi bubble, right? That's going around. That they like everything goes up for the first 2 days and then it just like comes crashing like sushi, and like some other projects that are like. So I'm not sure if I'm getting in early, if I'm already late, if I'm a medium to the party. That's just the thing, right? Yeah, honey went up though, right? I mean, I'm not saying it's DeFi. I'm just saying I don't want to be part of that weird bubble, especially if I cannot chart it, dude. Right? I do get that. So look, if I go trade, it's just gonna take me here. Takes me to like Uniswap, right? So I understand. Continue. But I want to see charts, right? I can't see charts, at least not in here. So I'm not gonna open it yet. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to get here to the trading area. Yeah, I'm not gonna go with that right now. No, but when I opened this, right, and I said trade, it took me to a Uniswap place. See, right here, it says Uniswap. Token imported. I'm not sure why it wants to take me to Uniswap when I said trade. But all I want to do is just get the value of this, and I can't see a chart. Do I trade to the Ethereum wallet app? Dude, no. I haven't used Uniswap yet. Anyways, DXY, right? That's the first request that we had was a DXY. You're up 8 times on Honey, dude. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good amount, Cryptic. Well, like what area of value do you get in at? Like 7? No, if you would have gotten in at 70. So it's 100 and but what we said, 700 and change, right? Anyways, DXY, right? Again, the bearish moved us down, hit that 20, take a bounce. This is a 1 hour though. Let's go on the daily. Here we go. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Here we go, DXY, right? We're looking for bearish divergence, action to downside again. We no longer have it here. 0.18. 0.18, right? Here we kind of had medium. Not medium. Yeah, sorry, medium. No, weak. We had weak bearish divergence, but we didn't do it because today we're still going high. The other way this plays out is if this goes down, right, throughout the day, this pulls back down a little bit, and then we create that medium bearish divergence. Sorry, yeah, that weak bearish divergence, and then we move down. 73 is your average. That's a pretty good entry point, dude, considering... So you're almost up 10 times, right? Because how much did we say it was worth? 600? 700? 796, so you're 10 times up, dude. Anyway, that's it for the XY, right? Again, not a lot happened since yesterday. I'm starting to go red a little bit, but, I'm just going to look at it on the daily. Sitting... bought at 65.48. Let's go to the YFB because that got requested by one of our viewers, Mr. Andrew. YFB, what's happening with YFB, dudes? YFB, dude. I can't find it. Here we go. YFB to the USDT. What? Again, on the daily, I just don't have data, right? So, nothing I can do. Just coming in lower. On the 4 hour. Look, I was looking for this bullish divergence earlier when you were talking about it on the chat and here, right? So obviously this one's probably from the 1 hour chart. I think they're both gonna No, it's in the 4 hour. Weird. Weird. I'm pretty sure I was looking at this in the other time scale, but you know. Maybe one of them is from the 1 hour. Cause I was like doing stuff pre-stream when you guys were on the chat asking for things. So look, I'll just make this easier. I'll go to the 1 hour and see what I have there, and make sure everything here is anchored to the 1 hour. See, this is where I screwed up today. Cause I left stuff go from here to the 4 hour, and that's not what I wanted to do. Look, the only thing I have against this project right now is that every time it's developing bullish divergence, it's just failing to take off, right, and get above that 20 beautifully, right? It just keeps on rejecting the 20 consistently. And that's not something you want to look at, right? That's a bearish sign. So, YFB is dead. It looks scary. Yeah. You send me the actual links. All right, awesome, bro. I think you sent me to on the Discord. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. I'll open him in a second. Again, so now I can go to the 4 hour, right? I was looking for this divergence, which we kind of manufacture here, and we still have to here. Right, so it has strong bullish divergence against the MACD, but not against the RSI. We just lost it. On the RSI, it's just oversold at 22.73. Like I said, I don't like the fact that it got below 20. Just hasn't touched it again since September 14th, right? So almost 10 days below that 20. And like the only time we touched it, we rejected heavily, and we just failed. And we've been developing divergence throughout that movement, right? Look at that divergence, just failing to play out. Here on the 1 hour, right? Look at that divergence, right? All across divergence, right? Bullish divergence to here, then we dropped more and we kind of killed it, right? We just went there, so it's fine. I mean, but you know, we had divergence from here to here. Oh snap, not that. Here we go. Right, look at that. We had bullish divergence here. We tried to rally. We created that hidden bearish, right? Move down. Now we created strong bullish again. We're not creating hidden bearish. We just hit the 20, we're weak, and now we're moving down again. That strong bullish we created against the RSI. On this move, unfortunately, we're not creating anything else, right? So, you know, not happy with the way this is looking, bro. The bullish divergence doesn't seem to be playing out. It doesn't seem to be holding. Will it pop, dude? I'm not sure, right? Every time it pops, it just goes to 20 and rejects. Right now, you don't have anything. It just looks like it's going sideways for the last 4 hours or so. But not looking too hot, bro. Right? YFB not looking too hot. Again, the bullish divergence, it plays, but it just gets rejected, right? Look at this. Positive, or very likely we had something. No, we didn't have anything here. But look at that, right? We went to 20, right? Rejected. Went to 20, rejected. Went to 20, rejected. How many times do we need to hit the 20 before we actually break above that, right? That's the only thing I don't like, Andrew. And I know you're holding this project. I know you're probably taking a massive hit here. But the bullish divergence is just not playing. Could it be one of those things that as soon as you leave the project, the thing just pops? Maybe, dude, right? Again, the technicals that we have determined that we have for this do not seem to be playing out for the project. That's the only thing I don't like. It's just ignoring all the technicals, right? I mean, the hidden bearish played massively. Maybe it's in a bear trend, right? That's maybe the only thing we could say. It's making all-time lows. All right, maybe it's a bear trend. It has not managed to shake out of it, right? But that's about it, I guess, for this project, right? I wish I could have better news, but it just looks like this right now, right? So let's go check out ETN. Right on, so we went up, we hit that 618, right? We rejected, and now we're moving down. We rejected the 20, right? Or near the 20, moving down still. Low to high, negative to less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. Sitting neutral at 41.81. Nothing happening on the daily here. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had bullish divergence, we tried to rally, then we dropped, right? That's fine. Now we can go from one island to the next, so from here to here, again, we're creating that strong bullish divergence. I'm not sure if we called this one out here yesterday. Nope, we didn't call in this one, so we'll just keep on rolling with this one then. This all in the 4 hour, and we'll just make it yellow again. Yay, there we go. Right on. Great. So again, we get this strong bullish divergence. Price action to the upside. It's just not playing out, right? We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. We got the rally, hit the 20, and we're rejecting again. Rejection of the 20 usually gets us to go lower, but if we fail to go lower, it's like a fail to dump, and then we try to go for a new rally and maybe get above that 20 then. Do we have something here? Yes, we created some hidden bearish, right? So from here to here, we'll be going from here to here, right? Slightly higher. Price action to the downside. That's about it though, right? Again, not looking too hot for this project right now. Did I anchor this in the 4 hour? Did I just freaking forget about it? It's anchored in the 4. Great. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh man, what's happening on the 1 hour? Lower, right? Negative, less negative. Low on the RSI to a higher point. Again, strong bullish divergence. Price action to the upside. We got the rally, got above the 20, right? Then we created some hidden. No, we didn't create any hidden. Nope, we're good. So we rallied. We just got tired, I guess. Pull back down a little bit, right? Hit that 20, but failed to take off. That would seem right. Again, here on the 1 hour, I'm not finding anything, right? Low to high, negative. Positive to more positive, and low on the RSI to a higher point. Nothing there. Even if I go here, high to low. Positive, high on the RSI to a lower point, and here I do have this island that I cannot ignore. On that note, we are creating some hidden bullish right now from here to here. From here to here, right? And from here to here also. So potential continuation, we might get a rally, we might get a retest of the 20 here at 0.47 cents. This project's sitting at 0.47 cents on the dot. So we're talking about here it's 0.4778 for that move to the 20. That's it for ETN, dude. Then we had Honey. And I'm going to look at the links that Cryptic sent me on the Discord. Thank you, man. Right on. So let's check this out. Opening one, and then I'm going to open the other one. There we go. Yep. Right on. Alright, so there is a chart, but yeah, this is a chart I wanted to get to. Well, first of all, it's not showing any data yet, so maybe where I opened it, so I'm going to open in a new tab here on the site. See if I can get this to show on the stream, right? Come on, show me the chart, please. It's not loading, dude. So, there we go. Right, for some reason you want to show it here. Now I can see it. I can see it, dude. Let's look at the monthly. I know this doesn't have a month of data. I just want to see what it has. Alright, so Inception, right? It was at 2,000. Then it came to like 47 bucks, right? 46 bucks seems to be about the average for September. And now it's really starting to pop, right? It went from 47 on September 14th, for September 15th, all the way to 644 right now, which is not that bad. It loads for you. Yeah, I got it to load here, but you know, here if I go here, it's just not loading just here, right? I'm just gonna look at all time here and see how this project's coming along since inception. Again, yeah, it is when we talked about September 3rd, right? It just came in at $2,000, moved down, and right now starting to get that recovery. Yeah, it's a good entry, right? If you get in at 40 bucks, you get a nice ride to the upside, right? No MACD, no RSI for me to look at, so I'm just going with what I see here, right? And then when you were talking about the other site that you posted, yeah, I also opened it here. and this is what it takes me to, right? This is the site it takes me to do the purchase or buy Uni or Honey. But again, there's so much data missing here. I wish that it was powered by TradingView. Then it might let me watch something here or look at something here, right? Again, picking up steam, right? Look at that. Boom. Liquidity going up. Volume probably also increasing. Look at yesterday's volume. It's insane, right? Just increasing extremely quick, right? It's a good project, man. I'm glad that you got into this. I'm glad you're taking a profit. You're probably around, yeah, here it doesn't say that 700 that I got on the other place, but you know, you're probably doing good on this, right? So here it says 796. That's why I said you were 10 times. But yeah, if you go to the other area, the exchange that you show me, and now it says 645. So yeah, slightly lower. But still, 8 times it's good, bro, right? 800% up. I would say take profit. All right, not take all profit, but just take some profit. All right. Anyways, let's go check out DVT real quick. What's happening with DVT, dude? Let's get the RSI and the MACD out here, right? Let's just edit the MACD real quick here for columns and the green. There we go. Awesome. So what are we doing here, man? High to low, positive to less positive, right? Low to high, positive to more positive, right? Just nothing bearish here. Yay. Nothing bullish either, apparently. Yeah, nothing bullish. Maybe some very slight bullish divergence here, right? They're going flat and then negative to less negative, right? And that note creating that medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. That's the only thing I'm seeing right now on this project. On that note, let's go to the 4-hour chart. What is the 4-hour doing, dude? When this project goes like to 1,000 sats from like six sats, it's gonna be a massive. It's gonna make a lot of. It's gonna be life changing for this project, right? It's gonna be really, really good for a lot of people, right? A lot of people have put a lot of stock in here. Anyways, what's happening with DVT, man? High to low, high to low, and slightly high to low, so nothing bearish here right now. The only thing we have is not even bullish. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, there, say lower. So nothing on the 4-hour. I'm gonna go on the daily. Again, on the daily, the only thing we have is bearish divergence that we called the other day from here to here, right? And then from here to here. So hidden bearish moving this down. Then we don't, from here to here, we don't have anything, right? Low, higher, low, negative to positive. Then high, low to high, right? So nothing there yet. Waiting for this to develop a little bit more. See how this is gonna play out for DVT. Again, sitting at 6.1 sets right now. And on that note, I'm gonna look at my other pain in my butt, which is RSR, because I'm taking a massive bidding on our RSR, dude. I should have exited that project a while back, and I just, like, for some reason, I just keep on postponing it. I'm seeing a massive, massive bidding, dude. I'm down like 66% on this project already, dude. I should just freaking exit. Right? I'll even tell you how bad I'm doing here. 65.71. That's how much I'm losing on this project. I put $100. It's not that bad, but I'm down $60, dude. Again, I should have exited way back here, dude. Right, and saved face. I think I'm just gonna let this one ride. I really don't worry about $40 right now, so it is what it is, right? Got something bullish in the 1-hour? No. Low, lower, low. Negative, less negative to here, right? And then less negative to here, but we do have this island of positive momentum. I'm not gonna ignore it. Short term, right? Low, lower, low. Negative, more negative, low, lower, right? So again, nothing bullish. On the 4-hour, we don't have anything on the 4-hour either, man. Again, you know, going lower again from the previous island. Yeah, from here we could technically go there. Sorry, not there. Right, it would just be if I change my anchoring point from here to here, right? So we're going from here to here, and call strong bullish divergence, and then also from here to here, right? But that's about it, though. Really, I'm not gonna put. I'm not gonna put a lot of faith on this project right now. Sitting sold at 32.32. So yeah, maybe there's a chance it goes to the 20. If it goes to the 20, I might take an exit at 12 cents. Sorry, at 1.2 cents. Sorry. That's gonna be it for this. Again, on daily, there's really not a lot. Again, taking a massive, massive beating here. I was hoping the bullish divergence here will trigger it to the 15-cent area, but it hasn't. And then we no longer have divergence here. 28.63, and then we went to 27.64. Right, it's coming in lower as well. Gonna get rid of this, and you know, fuck, that's gonna teach me to not jump into a project without doing proper research again, because you know, I just got hot-headed about this project. It was going up very nicely, and I ended up buying near the top, dude. Right, so you know, I didn't FOMO in. I just couldn't close a position on Binance. I just had to keep on updating it because the freaking bots there suck nuts. And then it reminds me as to why I hate trading on Binance, because there's so many bots that every time you put a position, like bots just automatically put like 5 or 6 orders right above your position, then it's just freaking hell to get in. So yeah, I'm taking a beating, and that's probably what I deserve for jumping onto this project like that. If you like what we do, hit that like that on that sub, right? Thank you for being here. I'm not sure how many still watching, but thank you all for being here. You guys are amazing. And while you guys come up for something else I should look at, I'm gonna start looking at gold and silver real quick. Second with gold. Gold dropping, man. Where did he go? 1,858. Not good, man. Right, not good for the mining industry. Sold at 32. Still have that strong bullish divergence. See if we manage to hold on to it by tomorrow. Again, not liking the way gold is going. Let's go check out silver. Probably behaved the same way. Yep. See, there we go. Silver still has that hidden bullish. Let's see if we manage to hold on to that. Again, sitting over sold right now, 27.42. Oh, man. On that rejection, right? That tightness that we got there. Anyways, let's go check out the markets. The Dow was doing good yesterday, then it dropped, right? Managed to open positive, now coming in lower, and with that negative movement that we got here, right? This movement here and this movement here, we got rid of any kind of bullish divergence that we were looking for. The only bullish divergence that we would have is if we were to ignore this and we just went to go from here to here, right? And we just treated these as a one straight line over here. That would be hidden bullish, and again, this line would also be going from here to here, right? Like that. Boom, boom, right. Hidden bullish divergence, that's probably the only thing we have here on the Dow the Dow Jones, right? Anyways, moving down yesterday, losing 525 points. Dow Live losing 31 points still today. So coming into there, it would be like if I anchored from, do we have it here? Let's see, 160, 180. No longer do we have that. So again, we're looking at the same move, right? From here to here, from here to here, and then from like here to here as well, right? So again, hidden bullish. Let's see if that manages to play. Going down 22 points right now, 20 points. S&P lost 78 points, man. Look at the massive movement down he got, right? It just went down 2%, but if we like really take a measure from opening to close, 2.54, dude. That is like no joke, dude. That was a bad move for this. Do we go here? And do we go there? And do we still have it? Probably. 24.51, 23. So yeah, we still have that strong bullish divergence. Trying to hold on to that on the S&P. Let's go to London, dude. London. Gain 166 points. Try to get above that 20, which is good. We didn't have anything bullish going on there, so we could reject tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. We might use it as support and try to bounce. Setting neutral at 52.63 on that RSI. Let's go check out the Nikkei. Nikkei moving down below the 20, but managed to rally up throughout the day and close above. So using it as support. We don't have anything besides the bearish divergence that we called. Nothing bullish developing yet. Let's wait for this to develop a little bit more on the Nikkei. Toronto down 325 points. What? Yes, we had the bullish divergence here play out, and then we go lower here. And that move we were going here, and then we still have that strong bullish divergence still against the MACD, but not against the RSI. Sitting sold at 30.59, dude. Yeah, again, not the best looking here for Toronto, right? So we already did DXY, we already did stocks. Now let's go to oil, West Texas. What's West Texas oil doing? It's dropping a little bit below the 20, still rejecting, so not good, right? Yesterday we were trying to go for a rally. Right now we're rejecting the 20. Again, last thing we have is a hidden bullish. Let's see if that manages to still play on and get us above that 20. But it's really not looking very likely right now. Sitting at $39.31. Brent oil, right? Again, same movement. Getting up, hitting the 20, rejecting. Right now, yesterday we opened, we went up, hit that 20, and rejected once more. Last thing we have is the hidden bullish. And right now we're moving down. So not what we want to see on when we trade, right? Or when we're trading. Rejection of the 20 is not good. Usually means lower areas of value. So on that note, we've gone through everything that we should look at for the stream. And I guess there's no other requests. It's a slow day today. There's not a lot of people tuned in. Even on playbacks, I usually get like 20 playbacks by this time. I just sitting at 9 playbacks. So I'm assuming there's really not a lot of people interested in crypto. Probably because it's dumping or it went down. And it just seems to be the case, right? When crypto goes down, people are just not interested that much. And but that's fine. We're still here every day for you guys, so if you guys want to come in and chill and chat and let us know what's happening with your lives and what's going on with crypto, then we'll be here to talk about that. I don't think there's anything else on the chat. And boop 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 boop. Yep, I think I'm just gonna wait for the hour to change. Check out Bitcoin where it closed, and then that's gonna be it for today. On the account that there are no requests. Yo. Anyways, thank you, Cryptic, for sending me the data for Honey. Again, I'm gonna check it out again. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a chart where I can actually look for divergence and see how how this project is doing with that. Because like if it's going up too quickly over the last couple days, right? And that's the only thing that's scary, right? It's going up very quick since the 18th, right? So we're talking about like 5 days ago. It went from $51 to 650. So it's gone 1,000% up, right? A little bit over 1,000%, and maybe 1,200%. So you know that's just what I don't like, right? That's the scary part of the project. That you know, 1,300%. That's probably how much it went up. But that's that's the whole point. If I cannot, it's probably oversold right now, or it's overbought probably, and heavily. And you know, I just want to see where I'm getting in at. See if there's gonna be upside or downside or pullback happening. Again, 1,000x is no joke, right? Hour has changed. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Has it opened a new hour candle? Maybe it has. Let's go here. Again, just matched in red, going green, still going green. Yay! Awesome, dude. We got pullback. Not good. Again, gonna go for that retest of the 20 very likely, right at 10,383. Ethereum. Again, same stuff, right? Again, same move of Bitcoin rejecting and pulling back a little bit. XRP, come on, XRP. You have strong bullish. Again, same move happening here, right? Hasn't opened a new candle yet, at least not on this exchange. It's not loading yet. There we go. It opened a little bit higher. Litecoin, same thing, right? Opened a little bit higher, moving down a little bit right now. And then on Binance, same move. Just opened up, gapped up, and moving up slightly, but not too strong. On that note, we're going to leave it at that. Thank you guys for tuning in tonight. Again, this is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Wednesday night. I hope you're having a great time. Hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you were entertained. I hope you had a blast with me if you're watching it live or the replay. Thank you for being here, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.